Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to see what space wiper apps and files are taking on your PC. If you're running out of storage or find your PC a little slower these days, Windows 10 makes it easy to see what apps are installed and delete them if you no longer need them. This is how you can do it. Click the Start button, then type in Settings. Search where it's written System and click on it. Locate where it's written Storage. Click on the drive you want to search. The hard drive inside your computer is likely to be C. Now you can see what apps are taking more storage and even files. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.